Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here and welcome to my step into Christmas on the first day of Christmas. I'm going to share with you how I have created this gorgeous gold and red postage stamp style card. So without further ado, join me as I show you how I have created this festive card. So to create my card, I'm starting with a 5x5 card blank and a piece of glitter card, so which I've cut down to 5x5. Now this is the kind of glitter I like. It's a piece of paper that doesn't shed and it's absolutely fabulous. So I'm going to pop a little bit of glue around the edge of the paper and yeah, and then stick this to the card base. So pop that like so. I've got loads and loads of glitter on the desk from the previous card. Doesn't it get all over? It really does. Okay, so that's stuck down. Now I've taken a piece of this navy card and this measures 4 by 4 inches, and I'm just going to again pop my glue around. Has everyone got their Christmas cards made? How far have you got with your Christmas makes? Have you still some things to make? Okay, so now I'm just going to go through my roll and sort of look for some stickers with a little kind of bluey tinge to them. So this time I'm going with that one there. I think that looks straight, hopefully. The good thing is they do seem to peel okay from the card if you get them in the wrong place. So this one I'm going to pop just there. That one. I've just been having a faff about. I just can't help myself. And I've been moving all this, well, some of the stamps about. Does anybody else find to do this, or is it just myself? So anyway, that's where they are now, and that's where they're staying. So next, I've taken this Merry Christmas sentiment, and it's the Winter Kingdom stamp set from Polka Doodles. I've inked it using my shimmer ink pad in Midnight Frost. It's a Crafter's Companion ink pad, and a fussy cut around it, and I'm just going to sit this at the bottom of the card, just there. That just fits in perfectly. I've left a little white border. I don't always want to ink around the edges. I think sometimes just by leaving the white border, it helps the little sentiments stand out. So that just fits perfectly there. And then I've taken my roll of twine and I've made this cute bow. So what I'm going to do is just cut this from the roll, and I'm just going to pop this into the top corner like I did on the red card. So we'll grab some glue. Going to just pop that just there in the corner. Next, I'm going to pop a little bit of glue into the center of the bow. Take one of my little gems and think, light or dark? Oh, it's got to be dark. Got to be dark. And just stick that into the center. So there you go, there's my finished postage stamp style card today, in the blue theme. This one I've popped the glitter paper, and I love this glitter paper. It's the type that doesn't shed. I've done that one, and I've also done this pinky lilac-y coloured theme. And then the first one I made was the red and gold. On this one, this is glitter from a little pot. I didn't have gold glitter paper, so what I did here was I popped some double-sided tape around the sides, and I popped the gold glitter over the top, and then I've got the red bow with the red gem in the center there, some little red gems on the edges, and then the sentiment. So there you go, there are my finished cards today. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I'd really appreciate it, and I'd love to hear from you. And yeah, that's it for today on my first day of Christmas. I will be back with another Christmas video. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take good care of yourselves, and see you soon. Bye bye for now.